Just when everything seems normal, that's when Spider-Man drops a major bombshell. And today is that day. Sony, without any fanfare or noise, just suddenly released the first teaser of Spider-Man Brand New Day. And with it, our whole new game has begun, a new suit, a new villain, and some twists that have never been seen in any Spider-Man movie before. The teaser is short, but every single frame is pure fire. The first thing you notice is Tom Holland's new suit, which looks like it was ripped straight out of the comics. It has that cloth-like look just like the one he had at the end of No Way Home, but this time with the raised waving style of Andrew Garfield. The real twist is that the chest logo is not fully shown in the teaser, probably on purpose, so we get a big surprise in the full trailer. The teaser come out of nowhere because outdoor shooting is starting now, and Sony knows that blurry paparazzi shots are going to spread everywhere, so they have released full HD photos and videos themselves to make sure the official look gets out first. The scenes being shot in Glasgow show tanks with a symbol on them that clearly belongs to the Inner Demons gang, which is Mr. Negative's gang. This is a clear hint that Mr. Negative is the main villain of this film. But the story doesn't stop there. In the middle of all this, we see the Hulk but has not here as a friend, has a threat. It's believed that Mr. Negative has turned him into something like a Grey Hulk, a version of the Hulk who can think and speak even when he's angry. This is why the Punisher also gets involved with Spider-Man. This also gives us a sense of Peter's state of mind. He's not the same person we saw smiling with MJ. He's broken on the inside. He's pure deep Peter Parker part of himself somewhere deep down. Now he just helps people, hiding his own pain. And Kevin Feige himself has said that this is going to be his emotional breaking point. Amid all of this, Sadie Singh's entry makes the story even more mysterious. Fans are theorizing that she could be Mayday Parker from Tobey Maguire's universe, meaning the multiverse connection is slowly reopening but with full control. During the teaser's release, a picture was leaked from the director's office showing some classic Spider-Man comic book covers, Spectacular Spider-Man and Amazing Spider-Man number 345. This made it clear that the film will bring back iconic poses and movement, even if it doesn't fully repeat those specific storyline. And what about the Venom symbiote that was left in the MCU at the end of No Way Home? It hasn't been activated yet, but this teaser makes it clear that its return could happen at any moment. Sony has also cleared out its social media pages, which is a strong sign that another major trailer for the film is coming very soon. And believe me, when that trailer drops, the internet is going to go just as crazy as it did for No Way Home. Anyway, the trailer could drop any minute now, so just be ready and subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss a single update. Bye bye.